amazing finger jello. It's super firm. It's delicious, let me tell you. With water. It takes about 8.5 minutes. Okay, so you need 4 of these, 0.6 ounces jello. Then add 6 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin to make your gelatin super firm. Pour it in as fast as you can while it's at the hottest temperature. And now we're just going to put in some lemon juice. It's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Ooh. And that's just going to make everything come together the way that it needs to. Then add your 4 cups of water and it will be ready tomorrow.
Oh, it's so delicious.